Logarithmic function. Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie A. Jerusalem 26. Welcome to my mini vlog. Let's start. What is logarithmic function? In mathematics, the logarithmic is the inverse fraction to exponential. That means that logarithmic of a given number x is the exponent to which another fixed number, the base a, must be raised to produce that number b. In the simplest case, that logarithmic counts the number of occurrence of the same factor in repeated multiplication. Conversion of exponential function to logarithmic function. Here the step that we need to follow. Put a log in front at the base, enter the product, put at equal sign, then add the exponent. So here the example for conversion of exponential function to logarithmic function. For example number 1, the given equation is 6 is to the power of 3 equal 216, where base is 6, exponent is 3. To convert to logarithmic form, follow these steps. Put a log in front, log at the base is 6, enter the product is 216, put an equal sign, then add the exponent is 3. So when we put this together, we can get the answer as log base 6 of 216 equal 3. Example number 2. Given equation is 10 is to the power of 3 equal 1000, where base is 10, exponent is 3. To convert the logarithmic form, here is the steps, so we'll just do the same thing we did before. Put a log in front, add the base is 10, enter the product is 1000, put an equal sign, then add the exponent is 3. So the answer is log base 10 of 1000 equal g. For example number 3, the given equation is 4x equal 64, where base is 4, exponent is x. To convert to logarithmic form, follow the same steps. Put a log in front at the base is 4, enter the product is 64, put an equal sign, then add the exponent. So the answer is log base 4 of 64 equal x. Here is the answer on example 1, 2, and 3. Conversion of logarithmic function to exponential function. So here the step that we need to follow. At the base, then at the exponent, put an equal sign, enter the product. So here the example for logarithmic function to exponential function. For example number 1, the given equation is log base 7 of 343 equal 3, where base is 7 and the exponent is 3. And next, here's the step that we need to follow. At the base, so the base is 7, then at the exponent is 3, put at equal sign, enter the product, so the product is 343, putting it all together, and the answer is 7 is to the power of 3 equal 343. Example number 2. So here is the given log base 11 of 1331 equal x, where base is 11 and x is the exponent, and follow these steps. And the base is 11, and then add the exponent, and the exponent is x, put an equal sign, enter the product, so the product is 1331, putting it all together, and answer is 11 to the power of x equals 1331. The last example is 3. The given is log base 5 of 125 equal 3, where base is 5 and the exponent is 3. And follow this step again. At the base is 5, then add the exponent is 3, put an equal sign, enter the product is 125. So the answer is 5 is to the power of 3 equal 125. Here is the answer on example 1, 2, and 3. Do you have any question? If you have, just comment down below. Conversion logarithmic function to exponential function. So here's the example. Finding x naman tayo, guys. So here is the equation. Log base 2x equals 6. 6 is to the power of 6 equal x. Where base is 2, exponent is 6. So we need to evaluate the base and the exponent. 2 is to the power of 6 equal. So the answer is x equals 64. For example number 2, the given equation is log base 9, 729 equal x. And 9x is equal 729. So the base is 9 and the product is to 729. So we need to divide log 729, divide log 9 equal, x is equal to 3. So here's the given equation for example number 3. Log base x 1024 equal 5 and x is to the power of 5 equal 1024. So the product is 1024 and the exponent is 5. So here's the solution and the answer is x is equal to 4. Example number 4, log base 11x equal 6 and 11 is to the power of 6 equal x. And the base is 11 and the exponent is 6, so we need to evaluate. 11 is to the power of 6 equal. So the answer is x is equal 1,771,561 million. So here's the answer of 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Are you ready for our activity? If yes, Gina. Let's start for exponential to logarithmic. Number 1, the given equation is 7 is to the power of 10 equal 282,475,249. Where base is 7 and the exponent is 10. So here the step that we need to follow. Put a log in front at the base. There's a base 7. Enter the product. Put an equal sign. Then add the exponent. The exponent is 10. So pagsasamahin na natin. So the answer is log base 7. 282,475,249 equal 10. Number 2. The given equation is 8 is to the power of 6 equal 262,144. Where base is 8 and the exponent is 6. And here the step that we need to follow. Put a log in front at the base. So the base is 8. Enter the products. Put an equal sign, then add the exponent. So the answer is log base 8, 262,144 equals 6. Given number 3. 3 to the power of 9 equal 19,683. Where base is 3 and 9 is the exponent. Let's follow this step. Put a log in front at the base is 3, enter the product, and put an equal sign, then add the exponent. 9 is the exponent. So, pagsasamahin natin and makukuha nating sagot ay log base 3, 19,683 equal 9. Logarithmic to exponentially. The given equation for number 1 is log base 10, 1 million equals 6. Where base is 10 and product is 1 million and the exponent is 6. So here's the step that we need to follow. At the base is 10, then add the exponent is 6. Put an equal sign, enter the product is 1 million. Pagsasamahin natin and makukuha natin yung sagot ay 10 is to the power of 6 equal 1 million. Number 2. The given equation is log base 6 46,656 equal 6, where base is 6 and the product is 46,656 and 6 is the exponent. So here's the step that we need to follow. Add the base 6, then add the exponent 6, put at equal sign, enter the product 46,656. The answer is 6 is to the power of 6 equal 46,656. Number 2, the given equation is log base 12 248,832 equal 5, where base is 12 and the exponent is 5. The product is 248,832. So here's the step that we need to follow. Add the base 12, then add the exponent 5, put an equal sign, enter the product 248,832. Okay. So the answer is 12 is to the power of 5 equal 248,832. Finding x naman tayo. So ito yung equation. Number 1, the given equation is log base 13 x equals 6 and 13 is to the power of 6 equal x, where base is 13 and 6 is the exponent. So we need to evaluate 13 is to the power of 6 equal, so the answer is x is equal to 4,826,809. Number 2, the given equation is log base 7 117,649 equal x, and 7 is to the power of x equal 117,649, where base is 7 and the exponent is x. So we need to divide the product and the base. Logs 117,649 divide log base 7 equal, so the answer is x is equal to 6. Number 3, the given equation is log base 8 x equal 9 and 8 is to the power of 9 equal x, where base is 8 and the exponent is 9. So we need to evaluate the base and the exponent. 8 is to the power of 9 equal, so the answer is x is 134,217,728K. Mag-iwan lang po ako ng kasabihan. If people do not believe that mathematics is simple, it is only because they do not realize how complicated life is. I'm John Von Neumann. Thank you for watching, guys.